should I take? With a video?
Yeah.
Good. Latonya Styles. She's with my program and with my team from day one, so she know everything we go on the ravers and everything and rate who the part and who upon and who race and regard and our thing turn up, our thing sick, our thing loud. Latonya Styles is. She in a music long time and she dancers to the fullest. Her life is all about dancing and dancers. From her Ashe group, come straight back to right now dancer thing. She dancers and I love her to my heart, I love her to death. Because she dancers to the world, the whole entire world. So big up Latonya Styles. She there with me. I'm a sister this, I love her like that. So who not like her? Chuck her. I don't even want to use her profanity because they don't know the thing that the world me I talk to. And the kids them love me and everything. Swagging. Them can't beat your swag, can't beat your dance, can't beat your DJ cowboy and them. Latonya Styles, full life. She endorsing dancers. Latonya tell them hello, haters. Latonya like making you mad. We tell her hello, hello, hello. We love make hello haters. Good morning haters.
Good morning haters.
Hello, hello, hello. How we this? Hello haters.
You don't know Ding Dong are the boss from ever since a Ding Dong set the trend. Ding Dong, you know, I'm talking about from Boga days as you can see. So I'm a veteran in the business. You don't know. Latonya said that all the time.
All our haters, we love y'all.
We love you.
Thanks for making us what we are. Thanks for making us push harder. Thank you, my haters. We love you.
We love you.
Peace and live good. Make sure you live until the end of time because we want you to do what you do till the end of time. Big up haters.
Dance straight.
Quang!
Boom.
Quang!
Let's go.
No, I'm not calling you.